Most students often wonder how to start writing a simple descriptive paragraph. In today's lesson, I am going to teach you how you can formulate a simple descriptive paragraph. It is easy and I have divided into 6 basic steps. So let's begin the session. Before I begin, please subscribe to my channel Aisha Talks, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and also share the content. How to write a simple descriptive paragraph. Step number 1. You have to find a topic. Choose any topic, maybe about weather, maybe about your childhood, maybe about your family, pets, teachers, anything that you want to describe something about. Just choose that as your topic. That will be your central idea. So this is step number 1. Find a topic. Step 2. Study the idea carefully. Whatever topic you have chosen, that is your central idea. So choose the topic. First of all, choose a topic and then study it carefully. We call this a step as probing. So you research around the same topic, you read different things. For example, if you're writing about pets, so if you want to write about your cats, or if you want to talk about how and why you should keep a pet, then collect information about it. So you research about it. So start reading about that topic carefully. That would be your step number 2. Step number 3 is to draft the information that you have collected. Once you have collected information from different sources and you have a good brainstorm in front of you, what you have to do, you have to start writing it in a paragraph form. So that would be your first draft. Always have a topic sentence in your draft. What is a topic sentence? Topic sentence is a central idea that would define a certain paragraph. So that would be your key idea and you are going to explain it further. So draft your ideas in a rough paragraph and keep all the information intact to your topic sentence. Step number 4, revise. Once you have written a first draft, now it is your responsibility to see what is the organization of all the ideas that you have jotted down, all the ideas that you have written together in a paragraph form in your first draft. So is it logical? The order is logical or not? Is it making sense to you or not? Or anyone, any reader. So you have to organize things in a sequence, in a logical manner. And you have to take care that all the ideas that have come previously and all the ideas that would follow should be about the same topic sentence. So don't deviate here and there, but keep all the ideas intact to one central idea, and that would define the entire message or entire theme of your paragraph. So organize things in a logical order and according to a same pattern or sense. After you revise your first paragraph, your first draft, now you have revised it, so this is your second draft. So now edit it, see the spelling mistakes, see the punctuation errors, see if you have if you have overwritten something, or are you repeating things. So see that and proofread it. Edit things if you are making a typographical error or if you are making a spelling error. So make sure that you edit it and proofread it. And after you are done, so your job is almost done, your first descriptive paragraph is ready. Step number 6 is the feedback. So now once you have written your paragraph, now you have to show it to your teachers or maybe to your friends, your classmates, your peers, anyone in your family. Show it to them and ask them to read it and give their feedback. Once you receive their feedback, so those are the valuable suggestions, you have to consider them. For example, if your teacher says that add a few more lines, or if your parents say that you have to add new words or better vocabulary. So these are the suggestions. So you have to value them and then revise the paragraph one more time according to the suggestions that you have received after the feedback. So make changes. It will not take much time. Why? Because you already have a draft ready. So you will have to make only a few adjustments according to the feedback you have received. And then you will see that a final version of a well-written descriptive paragraph would be there in no time. Let me give you a recap. First, you have to choose a topic. Step number 1, choose a topic. Number 2 would be to collect information about it. Carefully read about the subject. Number 3 is to draft. make a draft, and everything should be according to one central idea that is known as topic sentence. Then you have to revise the draft for organization, for logical order. When you have revised it, then again edit it and proofread it for small errors, and then present it for the feedback to your teachers, to your classmates, to your peers, and they will give you their suggestions how to improve your paragraph. Once you improve it, then your final draft would be ready, and after you have incorporated their suggestions, then your descriptive paragraph would be free of errors, and you will see that it was such a simple task to write a descriptive paragraph. Similarly, you can add more paragraphs on the same topic, and you can create an essay also. So generally a good essay is of 5 paragraphs. So if you want to build on the same topic, then you can produce more paragraphs in the same pattern, by following the same pattern, and you will see the essay would be ready too. But first step is to create a paragraph, a simple paragraph. So that's my hint for you today. So don't be afraid, it is an easy method. That's how you start writing, and that's how you actually train yourself to become a better writer. So don't be afraid, and follow simple steps and start writing your descriptive paragraphs, and you will improve. This was my tip for today. This is Aisha Khan signing off. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.